Right, okay, I've got my first egg. We're in day 9. Box 2. I've marked it up. And there she is, the lady. And we've got our first egg. So that's 9 days. Actually, it's a little bit too early for me. I think whether it's going to be a clear egg, because I like it to be in there a bit longer. The hen's the yellow one. I like them to be in there a little bit longer before they lay eggs. So she may have just got into the nest and wanted to lay. So it may be a clear one. But anyway, we'll see. Time will tell. So I think she's getting near to lay, and her back end's looking enlarged, as you can see there. So I think she'll probably lay either today or tomorrow. Or hoping so anyway. Look at her, see, she don't want to go. Look at her. She don't want to go. Go on then, my darling, you can go up there. Yeah, she's back in. So I think she's getting near. Down here in box 10, I'm still waiting on these two. I'm not giving up. I have seen them sort of kind of mating, sort of half-hearted. She's in the box, so, but they don't seem to be doing the normal Budgie things. But she's she's gone out now. There she is. But they're not greeting each other too much. They're not doing the normal Budgie thing. So, but I have seen sort of a kind of a mating. So I might be lucky. Same with box 9. They're still not happening. Box 8's still not happening. And box 7's still not happening. So I'm going to give all these another week yet. You know, they're sort of friendly. Right, okay then, we are day 10. And as I tell you on day 9, my white hen, she was very, very, very reluctant to leave the box. This is the reason why. She's laid her first egg. So there's number 1 from her on day 10. I finished. Thank you. You can go back in. So as I was expecting, I thought she was close. So that's day 10. Everything else is still the same. We'll catch you again. Right, day 11. I've got my second egg. Have a look at your egg. So there she is. She's laid her second one. Day 11. Yeah. So everything's going on course. So we've got 3 eggs in the birdhouse now. Got 2 in box 2. And we've got 1 in box 4. Okay. Right then, day 12. I just marked up this now, it's 29th of July. I've got my white hen. She's on her second egg. There she is. Oh, my darling. She's laid her second egg this afternoon. So everything on course there. I've got birds taking an interest in each other in 7, 8, 9 and 10. Her hen's in the box there. She's reluctant to leave, so maybe something's going to happen there. I've got a hen in box 9 with the cock sitting outside. Box 8 maybe not ready yet. Box 7, I've got a hen sitting in there, but there's no eggs yet. But with them sitting in the boxes, it's a good sign. So that's day 12. Okay, day 13. That's the day since I started breeding, since I put her all in boxes. Now we've got box 7, Friday 30th of July, which is today. That's day 13 since I started breeding. This young lady in here, hello my darling. Now she's got her first egg. There we go, there's number 1 egg in there. And these two are put together on the 20th of July. So we've got the 10 days. But I had this young lady in box 1 to begin with, and I swapped her from box 1. In here at the minute, I've got a violet hen, and she's reluctant to leave. you know. So Scott's there, the hen's sat in the hole, stopping him going out. But she's reluctant to leave, so she's getting close. Now I've got number 3 eggs. This one was this morning. It's the afternoon time now. There's number 3 egg there. So I've got 3 eggs in this one, 2 eggs in that one, and I've got 1 egg in that one, in box 7.